I'm looking now across that river where my faith will end inside. There's just a few more days to labor. Then I will take my heavenly flight. Beulah land, I'm longing for you, and someday on thee I'll stand. There my home shall be eternal. Beulah land, sweet Beulah land. Beulah land, I'm longing for you, and someday on thee I'll stand. There my home shall be eternal. Beulah land, sweet Beulah land. Beulah land, sweet Beulah land.
Having a great time. Wish you were. I can just see them walking on the shores of heaven, praising the Lord, watching the tide roll in. Friends that have gone on, oh how I miss you so. And somehow I know if you could, that you'd let me know that you're doing fine and it doesn't hurt anymore. Things couldn't be better, and heaven is worth waiting for. You miss me too, and till then you'll be waiting for me. And I know if you could talk to me now, here's what you'd say to me. Wish you were here, it's such a beautiful place. Such a beautiful place. Wish you were here, nothing but clear sunny days. a great time. Wish you were here. And I can just see them walking on the shores together, talking with Jesus, safe and secure in His love. Friends and loved ones walking in heavenly peace. And I know if they could talk to me now, here's what they'd say to me. Wish you were here, it's such a beautiful place. Wish you were here, nothing but clear sunny days. It never rains, no one complains, we haven't seen a tear. Having a great time, wish you were here. It never rains, no one complains, we haven't seen a tear. Having a great time, wish you were here. Having a great time, wish you were
Mama, Daddy, don't cry for me. I'm not so far away. I'm having so much fun, you see. All I do is play. The streets are of the purest gold, amazing just to see. And the gates of heaven are of pearl, hard to climb even for me. There's a stream of crystal water I'd love to splash around. Only, Mom, there is no snakes or worms to dig, not a spider to be found. I got to sit with Jesus on His very knee. I didn't burp or squirm too much. You'd have been so proud of me. Don't worry about my clothes either. They do a trick up here that's neat. Our clothes don't get dirty or full of holes, and our shoes grow with our feet. There's lots of other boys and girls for me to have to play, so I'm not lonely, not a bit. And oh, Dad, by the way, since there is no night here, I don't get scared at all. I can't look up and see the shadow of a monster on my wall. And I get to help groom horses Jesus has appearance stalls. He says we'll get to ride them when the angel Gabriel calls. So you see, you shouldn't worry or cry or be so sad. If you can pretend that I'm at camp, I know you will be glad. I love it here. It's an awesome place. There's so much to see and do. I'd like to stay and not come home, if that's okay with you. Tell everyone I love them. Can't wait till you all get here, 'cause heaven is a real neat place. I sure am glad I'm here.
Just a precious jewel from God, loaned to us a while. Though we thought of you as ours, we always knew you were God's child. He kept you here on earth, so your beauty here could shine. But He's chosen to take you home with Him in His perfect time.
Never fear, trust in God, though you don't understand. He'll help you through by leading you with His tender, loving hand. Never fear, trust in God, He'll be your faithful guide. He'll walk with you through trials of life. He's ever by your side. That precious jewel shines in heaven.
life He's ever